You know Tommy? Tommy Chenko?
Yeah, I know Tommy, my friend.
Ah, your friend. I thought Tommy liked you. I thought she liked you.
Like me?
Yeah. Because you're so beautiful and kind.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
Ah, Egypt. Pyramid of Egypt.
Yeah, by Thank you,
You want to
Didi.
you want to visit Philippines? Someday?
Uh, I I think I will. I will. Allah.
So you're planning to go to Philippines someday? Maybe next
Yeah,
year?
yeah. I
Ah,
will.
that's nice. I meet Tommy here in TikTok only, and maybe next year I want to meet Tommy also.
Next year,
Maybe next year.
you live in Philippines now?
No, I live in Korea. Sorry, Korea ba?
Yeah. Just good.
So how did you meet Tommy? Maubos English natin eh. You're in
How's it?
battle, in battle only?
Yeah. Only that.
Tommy is very famous in the Philippines.
Yeah, I know.
His
When I
dad-
play with him, some people say, "Can I take photo with you?" Like this.
I think that you are very ubos ang English ko ba?
It's okay.
I'm not good in English. Did you understand
okay.
my English? It's okay. I like Tommy because even though he is very famous in the Philippines, his father is belong to the very respectful politics in the Philippines. He is very humble. You know, he meet a lot of people here in TikTok. He respect a lot of people. He puro na lang ako he. That's why I like his personality.
Yeah. He good man. He very good.
Yes.
And respect me.
And he is very rich.
I don't
And-
care about if he rich or poor. I don't care. I don't look about these things.
Oh, that's nice. Because, Tommy do a lot of battle here in TikTok because he helped a lot of people in the Philippines.
I see.
He has a foundation, the charity.
This is good. Yeah.
Ay, ubos ang English ko ay. You know some Tagalog words? You want to learn some Tagalog words?
Yeah. Kamusta ka? Palagi. Salamat.
Salamat,
Kabayabaan.
kapayapaan.
And
Mahal kita.
Bugi. Mahal kita, Bugi.
Pugi.
Yeah. This.
If you meet Tommy, you said mahal kita.
No.
Why?
No, this
Mahal
wrong.
kita.
No,
I
I
miss you.
can't.
Miss kita.
No, I can't.
Why?
No.
It's
no.
okay. If someone really you miss someone, you said I miss you. Miss na miss
No.
kita.
No, I can't say that. Just my husband. I say that just for my husband. Just. I can't say that for anyone.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, this
So,
this make my
if you
husband
don't mind-
special.
hindi correct. Correct na lang ah. So, if you don't mind, how young are you?
21.
21. You're so beautiful, young. And I think you're a good person.
Thank you so much. You too.
Oh,
Nice
thank
to meet
you.
you,
And
really.
you can call me your mom because Tommy is my son here in TikTok.
Okay.
I am your mommy.
Okay, mommy.
Oh, you can call.
Okay.
We do a lot of battle with Tommy. We do a dance.
Uh,
Did you saw the video of Tommy?
yeah,
We dance together.
I say him
We do
dance
together.
more.
I
Yeah, I
am
see.
her mother, my mother, your mom.
You, your mother. I need you kick him because he dance more with another girls. Very. I don't know why. Kick him.
She's only for enjoying because
No.
she's a dance instructor.
No, this is bad. Kick him. Tell for him come to me and.
Okay. I will tell told me that don't make dance to other girl.
Whatever. Don't dance.
Okay. You feel jealous, like?
No, but this bad in Egypt. It is bad when
Ah,
men dance more like this. No, this bad.
it's like a dirty dance.
Yeah, this
Oh, you don't like the dirty dance, but
no,
we do. We do a dirty dance.
no.
We do a
Zumba?
Zumba, because we need an exercise here in TikTok. Because
Ah.
Tommy is a good dancer, so he teach a lot how to dance.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
You don't like to dance?
No, this bad. This bad. Here in
So-
Egypt, this bad.
okay. I understand. I respect your religion. So are you a Muslim?
Yeah, I'm Muslim.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
eat only fish and vegetable?
What? Again?
What did you eat? Your food?
I eat anything, but I don't eat this. I don't know what name it. What name it? This haram. I don't know what name it.
So I am your mother-in-law.
Pork, you know
I am
pork?
your mother. Pork? No pork?
No pork, and yeah, Muslim don't eat pork.
Okay. I am your mother-in-law.
Okay.
Because,
Okay. Well.
because Tom is my son.
Yeah, I will ask him about this. I will say
Yes.
for him. I meet your mother.
Yeah, I am your mother-in-law.
Okay. Okay. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you
Nice
so
to meet
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
for the time.